Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Here we carefully blend purified water, sugar syrup, and our secret concentrate. It's the perfect balance of
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
We have a slight slowdown on line 3. Adjust the robot speed immediately.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made. Toe pepper shredding from start to finish.